What is going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So glad to be back on the channel. I know it's been a couple months, but I'm trying to keep it consistent whilst managing my time at university and also working. But this is just a general update of where I'm at in trading and in life in general. Essentially, things have been going not too bad. There are areas where improvements can be made, but ultimately the outcome is pretty strong so far. Now, as far as trading goes, so I've been live trading for some time now, and my main focus coming into the first quarter of 2025 was to essentially gain some sort of profitability with the system that I produced in trading, which I've been doing in bootcamp. And this bootcamp has been very specific and tailored towards me being the individual, and at the moment I'm still learning through the process and understanding my system in a bit more depth. So overall it's been a pretty break-even month in my live trading. That's right from January till March. I could put a couple of screenshots here and here. Whilst live trading, I've also been attending and trying my best on the Quantitech funded journey, and essentially I passed stage 1 again not too long ago, because the last time I tried getting funded I ended up breaking up some rules, so I've basically come back to the correct mode in which where I can essentially revisit my system and follow through with the rules. So overall that account is in drawdown at the minute, about 1.3%. So not a great start to this year, but I think it's been a good learning curve, because not every single day and every single week is going to be profitable in trading. There are going to be ups and downs. It's all part of the process. Obviously we can't control the market will humble you, and that's ultimately what you have to take away. As if anything, psychology is huge in trading, and it's pretty much tailored directly towards that. And if you can't manage your emotions whilst you're in a trade, or you don't trust the system in a trade, then things won't follow through, and that's just the reality. And I especially made this video to be targeted on the 31st of March, but it's actually being recorded on the 1st of April. And yeah, that's how trading has kind of been going recently. So yeah, I'd say to the start of the month, January and February was pretty good, because I passed stage 1 pretty quickly. So I'm currently at stage 2 at the challenge account, 25k. So we're going to see how that process goes. Hopefully we can attain the goal of being funded. One day I'll know I'll be funded and I will be in reach. Again, I'm testing my system in live trading just to get the real feel of it. And yeah, I'm still young, I'm still learning my ways and understanding these concepts. So yeah, and then in terms of fitness, fitness is one big thing for me that I've really knuckled down in the first quarter of this year, and genuinely it's been great. Like, I've been trying and testing a new platform and a new way of training, and I've seen huge improvements. My bench press, in my squat and in my deadlift. So ultimately that's just going to keep pushing forward, and I'll just pop up some figures of my previous bench and my previous squat, and bang, just annihilated. So I'm going to try and keep up the consistency and keep pushing higher and higher and forward and forward. Coming into the second quarter of 2025, alongside me learning boxing a bit more. I did initially do some Muay Thai when I was younger, but it's been quite a bit of time since then. So I'm just kind of getting my way back into boxing, sparring with a couple guys. It's been good so far. I need to get back into it. go on the perspective of pushing and driving through the pain, because that's the most important thing at a young age. And this is just me being real, no bullshit. This is not going to be edited at all. This is just going to be me talking about real facts and real shit. I'm going to be the realest person on YouTube, and I just want to be straight up, because that's what not a lot of people are like nowadays. They want you to be in this mode of, getting rich quick, and you see it all online on YouTube and social media. Me personally, at this moment in time, I don't really like to go on social media too much. I try and stay away from it. So yeah, I'm focused on my goal, and this year I want to make sure I lock in further and ultimately become the best version of myself. One thing I did want to reach out onto YouTube was actually about opening up a small business. Now, I have some experience in marketing products, like buying and selling them for low and making a profit margins, which I've done for Amazon FBA and also eBay, but I need some help. Just in the comments, if anyone could mention anything about this small venture. It's basically like a small business where you find people around your local area who have businesses like car mechanic garages, electronic repair shops, or food takeaway services, or small restaurants. And basically my aim is to help those kind of people uplift and share their online presence a bit more. And that's where I want to be the middleman and involve myself, so that I can speak to the individual, whoever owns the business, and hopefully make that relationship work where they can attract more customers, and ultimately we both make profits from either side. It's something that's in the works at the minute. So if anyone has any experience, it would be great for me to just take on board. As any opportunity can be a great success, and I just want to help people, and I want to help myself, and that's me being real. So if anyone has any suggestions or any ideas on that further, I'll happily take it on board, but I'll definitely be doing some research into it a bit more. And yeah, that's pretty much the end of my first quarter of 2025, and I hope you guys are smashing it too, because ultimately we're all here to push ourselves forward. And yeah, we're going to get this year, and we're going to finish it strong. We're going into 2025, and the second quarter, let's make it a freaking good one. Let's go!